Imagine something that almost never happens. Maybe your friend finally arrives on time, or maybe your boss gives you a day off. In English, there's a perfect phrase for this. Let's learn it in just a couple of minutes. The phrase is, once in a blue moon. It means something that happens very rarely, almost never. A blue moon is a rare event in nature. That's why the phrase sounds so special. So when you say something happens once in a blue moon, you mean it doesn't happen often at all. For example, I eat fast food once in a blue moon, maybe once every few months. She calls her cousin once in a blue moon because they both have busy lives. He cleans his car once in a blue moon, so it's always dirty. And here's a funny one. My friend exercises once in a blue moon, usually on January 1st after New Year's Eve. Think of it like this. Imagine looking at the night sky and seeing a moon that is actually blue. Surprising, right? That's how rare the situation is when we use this phrase. Now your turn. What do you do once in a blue moon? Maybe go to the cinema, maybe cook something special, or maybe clean your room. Write your example in the comments, and don't forget, if this lesson was useful, give it a like and subscribe for more quick and practical English phrases.